This is a sound bowl. It releases a frequency, and when you put water in there, it changes the frequency. But what happens if you put a White Claw?
In your face, in your face.